John doesn't know this, but he's the love of my life. I love him. He always runs away from me, and he rarely ever lets me catch him. But he's so good. I love watching him play in his little pool and fly around. He's such a good boy. Look at him. He's going to go check out the weeds that desperately need weed eated. Oh, he's trying to go in there with them because they have food. Is everybody hungry? They must be hungry. Everybody keeps trying to go back in. Miss Prissy can't figure out how to get out for some reason. Listen at him. He's fussing at the reds. He wants their food. Buddy! That wasn't my smoker. Pretty girls. You guys don't get a lot of camera time. Golden Oreo. Half pint over there. Bless her heart. Oh, chocolate milk! Look at that! The queen has arrived. She's been sitting on an egg for a very long time. So I'm excited to see what comes of that. It should be getting close to hatching time now. I'm excited.